What is an online scam or phishing attempt?
Online scams and phishing attempts are schemes where fraudsters trick you into sharing personal information or money, often by pretending to be a trusted source. These scams may arrive as suspicious emails, texts, fake websites, or social media messages. Recognizing these tactics is the first step in protecting yourself and others from online fraud.
Why is reporting scams important?
Reporting scams helps protect you and the wider community. Alerting authorities gives them crucial information that can be used to stop fraudsters, warn others, and potentially recover losses. Even if you didn't fall for the scam, sharing details can prevent someone else from becoming a victim.
Where should I report online scams?
Report scams to official organizations such as government fraud reporting centers, your local consumer protection agency, or law enforcement. In many countries, there are dedicated websites for reporting online scams and phishing, such as national anti-fraud agencies or cybercrime hotlines. You can also report fake emails, texts, or websites to major tech companies.
How do I report a phishing email or message?
When you receive a phishing email or suspicious message, do not click any links or download attachments. Instead, forward the message to your country's designated reporting address or the legitimate company being impersonated. Many email providers and organizations have a report phishing option you can use directly.
What information should I include when reporting?
Be as detailed as possible. Include copies or screenshots of the scam message, the sender's address, any links or attachments, and the date you received it. If you've already shared information or lost money, explain what happened clearly. This helps authorities investigate and warn others about current threats.
Can reporting scams help me recover my losses?
Although not all losses can be recovered, reporting quickly improves your chances. Contact your bank or credit card provider immediately if you've given out financial information. Reporting to authorities may help in investigating the scam and, in some cases, recovering lost funds or stopping further fraudulent activity.
How can I help prevent scams in the future?
Stay informed about the latest scams, educate friends and family, and share official warnings. Use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication when possible. By reporting scams and spreading awareness, you play a key role in building a safer online community for everyone.